Hello, good evening, friends. This is Chanpreet from Cool Brains, and the date today is 11th August. And on 9th August, which was Friday, we booked amazing profit in our first trade, which we entered for August series. And if you have not, make sure you please join our Telegram channel, which is t.me/coolbrains. Coolbrains is our Telegram channel. So the trade basically which we entered, let me show you which was the trade which we entered. So the trade which we entered was Bajaj Finance. It was an option writing trade. So this is the chart of Bajaj Finance, and it was option writing trade on this date on 26th of July. 26th July we entered this trade in Bajaj Finance. Now two things are there which is very important in stock markets. One is the fundamentals and the other is technicals. So fundamentals actually tell us which stock is reasonable, which stock is overpriced, what we should buy and what we should sell. This is what the fundamentals tell us, right? And the other thing which is very important is technicals. Technicals tell us when to enter and when to exit. So the combination of two things, which is we have a unique trading method, which is PCSC, is a combination of fundamentals plus technicals. Now coming back to Bajaj Finance, on 26th we entered an option writing trade because the market was very volatile. As all of you are aware, the market had continuous falls for many days, and the falls were drastic, and everywhere there was this bearish grip over the market, and we know traders have lost many traders have lost money in this market in last few weeks. But nevertheless, Bajaj Finance was a stock which we were looking to add in futures. And but what we did, we played a bit cautious. What we did, we entered an option writing trade, because option writing, it gives us lot of advantage, it gives us lot of cushion even if the trend goes against us. So you can see this is a bearish engulfing, right? On 25th we see a big red candle, and on 26th of July we see a big green candle, and the body of the green candle has completely engulfed the body of the red candle. So this is known as bullish engulfing, right? You see, this is a bullish engulfing. Now the other thing which is very important, the strategy which you all can apply. Now suppose you want to add a fundamentally sound stock, right? I repeat, if you want to add in futures, buy options or option write PE, if you want to option write, put option write of a good fundamental stock, what you need to see is, number one, you need to look at RSI 8, right? RSI 8, if it just touches the 20 zone, the 20 levels, dips below or touches 20 levels, number one. Number two, and after it touches the 20 levels, if there is a bullish engulfing, right? Two parameters which you need to see. Number one, this is the technical parameter. Fundamental, I'm not explaining you. Fundamental, all of us, we know Bajaj Finance is a very good company. They have continuously reporting numbers which are very encouraging quarter per quarter, right? And so there's some basic calculation of the EPS, the estimated earnings in coming quarters, and how reasonably the stock is placed after the correction was done from around, you see this levels around 37 to around 3000, right? So that's a quite a reasonable correction which the stock has seen. So not coming to the fundamentals, just the technical part. A good stock, if you want to buy, first you see the parameter of RSI 8. If the RSI 8 dips below or just touches the 20 levels, right? Number one. Number two criteria, we want a bullish engulfing. You see this bullish engulfing. So when these two things happen, the next day what you can do is that either you can after this confirmation, what you can do, either you can buy an option, number one. Number two, you can write a put, right? And you can even add the stock in futures or in cash if you want, right? This is a very this strategy is a very sound strategy which we normally use for option writing, right? So as you see, on 25th and on 26th there was a bullish engulfing. Clearly, as you can see over here, RSI 8 just touched the 20 levels, bullish engulfing. What we did, we played very safe. The stock was trading at around 3200 levels, right? By the end of the day, as you can see. So the confirmation was that the bullish engulfing has already been done. So what we did, we actually we entered an option writing trade in 2900 p, right? So the stock is trading at 32. We entered an option writing trade of 2900 p at levels of 40 to 45, right? 40 to 45, we entered an option writing trade in Bajaj Finance in the levels 40 to 45. We did with 2 lots, right? And you can see the stock after we entered the trade, the stock was in consolidation mode, and then it just zoomed off, right? And the 2900p, it went from 40 to around 8 levels, 8 to 10 levels. This is where we booked amazing profits, right? Now most important thing is the feedbacks of the customers, what they have to say about this trade is very important. There are hundreds of Telegram channels, friends, over the internet. Many tips provider, many advisors giving tips, many stocks they tell to buy this, to sell this. But the main thing you need to look is the testimonials, the feedbacks, what the clients say. This is very important, right? So this is something which I'm sure all of you can decide for yourself how we go about trading, how Cool Brains is approach to trading. I believe in the concept of real trading. It's not about advisory, it's not about tips, it's about the real trading. Actually, if the clients are making money or not. So let me show you my inbox, and let me see how much profit the clients have made, right? So this is Hardik Dhanani. He on Friday, so we entered on the 27th, right? And on Friday, which is on 9th August, we booked amazing profits in Bajaj Finance. So he says he's booked a profit of 14,200, right? This is Hardik. This is Swapnil. Swapnil, a high team booked a cool profit of 14,000 in Bajaj Finance options trade. God bless you and your team. Appreciate and respect the accountability that you take for your money, for our money. Thanks a lot, Swapnil. This, my friend, is a very important statement. Appreciate and respect the accountability that you take for our money, right? This shows the trust and the conviction our clients have in us, in our Cool Brains family. This is Swapnil for you. And this is K. Patidar, booked 11,000 profits in Bajaj option writing trade. Thanks a lot. And this is Amrit. Amrit has booked a profit of 13,500 in Bajaj Finance. And after Amrit, we have Ashish Kumar. He has booked a profit of 13,000. Then we have Avi Setia. Avi Setia has booked a profit of 16,000. Thank you. Keep up the good work. Thanks a lot, Avi Setia. And then we have Karan Taneja. He has booked a profit on 30,500. Thank you, Chanpreet sir and Cool Brains team for an awesome call. God bless you all. This is Karan Taneja. This is Pranit V. Gudivada. Hi, booked a profit of 40,500 in 2900p. Once again, you people rocked. God bless you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, buddy. And these are all profit messages. You can see 6,000 profits, 8,000 profits. And this is his first trade after joining Cool Brains, and he's booked a profit of 10,000, right? And he entered a bit late, so he entered at 30 and he bought at 10, right? So this is his first trade by Tapas Dev. Thanks, congrats Tapas for your first profit booking profit. This is 7,000. This is Sanjeev Chaudhary. Then this is Manish Sharma. He has booked a super profit of 40,500, sold at 40, bought at 11. This is Manish Sharma. This is Primal Trivedi. Without any tension of market volatility, I have booked 11k in put option sell in Bajaj Finance, right? After Primal, then before that, the email is of Ms. Mora. Hi sir, this is my first trade with Cool Brains and I booked a profit of 10k in Bajaj Finance. So thrilled with continue with Cool Brains. We too are thrilled to have you in our team. And this is Bipin Patro. Dear team, awesome 13,500 Bajaj Finance. Hats off to your research in such volatile markets. Vaheguru Salamat Rakhe. Yes, we do need the blessings of Vaheguru Bipin. It's all credit goes to our amazing research team, and of course, the Almighty is always there. And this is Naveen, booked 13,000 profit in option calls. Thank you, Sergi. Feel proud to be one of the part of Cool Brains. We too feel proud to have such amazing souls in our Cool Brains family, Naveen ji. And this is Akash Ravindra. Hello, Soki team. Shorted 2 lots. Entered bit late, but I am still very happy. Profit in 11,300. Thanks, you stood by us in difficult situation as well. This line is very important. Thank you for being stood by us in difficult situation. This is what advisory is all about. It's about hand holding, right? This is Suraj, booked a profit of 13,000. in 2900p. Thanks a lot, Coolbrains, for such awesome calls. So you can see this is my inbox of 9th August, and these all emails. I have read only a few of the emails, but you can see there are many emails which have come in our inbox of profit booking for Bajaj Finance, right? You can see Sashi, you can see Anil, you can see Dilip Shah, Vasant, so many clients who have booked profit in Bajaj Finance trade, right? So the strategy, friends, just coming back to the strategy, let us just refresh the strategy, what you've learned about this. It's a bullish engulfing. Number one, RSI 8 should touch the 20 or just kiss the 20 levels, right? And most importantly, the stock need to be fundamentally sound if you want to go plus. And why we did an option writing trade? Because the market was volatile. We wanted a bit of cushion, because suppose the market was volatile and the stock went down further, even then our costing, if you write 2900p at 40 levels, your costing comes to 2860, right?